500 million salmon returning to spawn. From 2,000 miles away, remembering patterns in the Earth's magnetic field, she lasers in on the exact river she left as a tiny fish. Arriving at the coast, where melt and seawater mix, they are funneled into this gloomy fjord. Salmon shark. The great white's smaller cousin. These ambush predators have traveled thousands of miles to join the race to feed. Only 5% of all Pacific salmon survive the ocean phase of their journey. This mother-to-be is one of the lucky ones. But to lay her eggs in the same gravel beds where she was born, there's now a whole new set of obstacles to overcome.